At the very outset, I would like to mention that this is a very timely initiative that has been taken by the center. The collaboration, how collaboration can really help to develop the research career. It's very timely, I would say, that if you look back at this presentation, I'm sure that we are going to listen more details about these topics from our keynote speaker. But I would like to see this presentation from my perspective, that how do you really see collaboration in the research? And why do we need to have collaboration in research? And what kind of benefit can we really derive from this collaboration in research? And what are the best practices that already happened in collaboration in research, and what are the challenges that we might face? If you look all those areas, and I would say that by collaboration, you simply understand that this is basically people who are taking shared responsibility in undertaking and conducting any kind of task. But if you look into the research collaboration, it means from us, from our side, that we said that while the people are working together to conduct a commonly agreed upon research, based on the collaboration and cooperation, they come out with this. Now, if you look at why do you need collaboration in research? If I go back, during 1950s and 60s, since then, the collaboration research has been spreading all over the world over the last 50 years. And since Industrial Revolution, when the technology came into the picture, this has also further accelerated the process of collaboration and research. And the collaboration is needed because the collaboration can really help us to reduce our travel time, our communication cost, and also conducting big research in terms of taking big size of data, panel data, and other aspects. And that really helps us if we can really combine diverse people in together. The collaboration is taking place between people and also in academic institutions and also in interdisciplinary way. So whenever we have found that the successful cases that has taken place in collaboration research that has taken place in many ways, many forms. And particularly we have noticed that in science area, particularly different thematic science areas, the collaboration research has produced a lot of successful intervention in this world. Particularly if you look in this medical science and other science areas, the collaboration was very much needed because as an individual, I might not have all kinds of competencies, but when I'm joining a team, I can combine other expertise together. So there is a complementation and supplementation process through which we can really come out with excellent ideas. And this complementation and supplementation process in collaboration research really help us to generate new ideas and really come out with wonderful research output. This collaboration really can really help the people, those who are new researchers, if we can join in collaboration with others. Our career can be further strengthened getting new ideas from other people. But definitely, there are certain kind of prerequisites in having effective collaboration in research. That the first requirement is there has to be mutual understanding among the common thematic areas that we are going to work. And there has to be agreed upon on certain principles how this collaboration will take place. Sometimes we found that in South-South collaboration and South-North collaboration has created some kind of inequality that also need to keep in mind. When we say collaboration, that equal partnership should be there. But over a period of time, we have found that the last decades, sometimes it has created that the people from South are involved only on data collection and conducting interviews. And the ideas and generation analysis are being done by the people from North. So that created some kind of confusion that are we really giving our prime credit to the people, those are the expertise. But I believe that collaboration really helps us to develop our expertise together. So the credit should go mutually all of us should come. So this is one of the areas that we need to keep in mind, that whenever we enter into collaboration, that we are not working only just a guinea pig and collecting data, and our rest of the things are doing those who are expert here. These are very much practical area, but we need to keep in mind in our collaboration. And I do believe that this presentation will really open up new ideas, open up new way of thinking. In Bangladesh context, particularly the academic field, our faculty members in private universities and even in public universities, they have certain kind of mindset of working in isolation. I would say that this presentation might challenge us why we need to enter into collaboration and come out with collaborating works. This collaboration could be institutional, this collaboration could be between researchers, this collaboration could be different universities together. And I would say that the presentation from our keynote speaker will really open up some form of new ideas how we can really move into the directions. With this little introductions, I would like to again welcome our keynote speakers, and our Vice Chancellor is a seasoned researcher. He has excellent contribution in research, and I do believe he has also some practical experience in conducting collaborating research. And we are really opting more of moving towards, and we would like to encourage our faculty members to spend some more time to engage in collaborating research. So I'm sure through this presentation, the platform for collaboration research will be further strengthened. Thank you very much for little time. Thank you, Gina.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Before starting the main session, let me share some more words about our keynote speaker. Dr. Mohammed Abdul Hannan is currently employed as Assistant Professor and Degree Program Director, Faculty of Science, Agriculture and Engineering at Newcastle University, UK, Singapore campus. He obtained his PhD from Faculty of Engineering at National University of Singapore in November 2014. Prior to joining Newcastle University, he was working as a research fellow at NSU. Before that, he worked as a lecturer at Bangladesh University of Engineering and Technology for a few months just after obtaining his BSc in Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering in 2009. From there, his research activities involve sustainable engineering and design, renewable energy, design and control of marine vehicle, fluid mechanics, application of artificial intelligence and machine learning in ocean engineering. Dr. Mohammed Abdul Hannan is a member of the Royal Institution of Naval Architects, UK, and the American Society of Mechanical Engineers. As an early career researcher, he was involved in several large-scale collaborative research projects funded by the industry and government. Recently, his team received a prestigious multinational research grant from the Royal Academy of Engineering, UK. He served several professional organizations as committee members and also worked as organizing committee member for various international conferences. So I believe it's our privilege to get a chance to attend the seminar for his precious guidance regarding research collaboration. We are going to start the main session shortly. I would like to request our respected keynote speaker, Dr. Mohammed Abdul Hannan, to start his valuable session. I hope you all will enjoy his valuable session and will be benefited from the session. Thank you so much. Sir.
Okay. Thank you, Jinat, and thank you, Honorable Vice Chancellor and Pro-Vice Chancellor of Green University, Bangladesh, to invite me and give me this opportunity for sharing. And so a very good afternoon to all of you. So the topics today is actually, I should say, very familiar to all of us. We are all very known to this term collaboration. And as the VC sir already explained, I mean, it is not something new. The academic people, they are involved in collaborations for more than 50 years. It's a trend which is continuing for a long time. So